Hey guys, I'm doing something a little bit different and I'm making a planner video. So here we go. This is my mini happy planner that is like my hub. So it just says Hello Happiness with a cute little kitty sticker and this little heart sticker. So when I open it up, it just tracks my doctor appointments, and I have this You Got This dashboard. I keep track of my steps and hours that people work, and just little things like I missed a doctor's appointment and why, because my car was at the shop, and like Father's Day and I only had 206 steps that day because it was a pain day and a show that I watch is on that day. A few stickers, but most days there isn't stickers on this one. I really want to start putting stickers though. I was in a drawing contest, or a monthly drawing challenge in this, and I put it in this one. A monthly spread for my mini. My cousin actually did this monthly. And then if I go to July, I actually have a July monthly spread that she made. I'm so excited that Orange is the New Black will have a season 6, and I messed up and wrote it on this before I laid down my date dots. So yeah, on to the next planner. This one. So I got this cover for my classic. Have my name with stickers in here. I don't really have anything in the monthly. This one I keep more information with stickers, like paydays and what I spent money on, and that I broke my first nail until I bit all my nails off. And I was trying out my new sticker maker. And doctor's appointments and paydays, and then I painted my nails and TV shows, and just there's more room in here, so I keep more things like my grandma's birthday. And this is my dashboard. It's just a mini one that I just use in here. And then if we go to the back, I have my bill section. I have the stickers, but I have my budget planner. So I didn't do that. But then we have July. So I have bills that come out this day, and payday, and pay plates, which actually sold my car, so I don't have plates that day now. But then I have bills that come out, and then all of my bills, I wrote it in pencil so that in case something changes, like my car stickers, I will no longer have to pay, so I can erase that. But there's that. And then this recollections planner that a friend gave me, well, sent to me, I guess, is my memory planner. So if we open it up, not sure how to use these pages. We go to July. This is the July spread for the monthly. And post it with birthdays that I have to write down, but they didn't fit. I made them fit with washi, just because I'm new to this. But here's the first week of July, because the 1st is on a Sunday. And then the 4th. This one's not so much. I'm probably gonna add more to this. And then this one's my favorite so far. And this is just washi tape. And that's it. I have the next one picked out, but that's it so far. So I plan on doing some more videos and uploads of things and memory keepers, and I have a recipe planner, and I have a weight tracker, or what is this called? This one. I have it all set up for July. I'm gonna start it in July. I mean, I track it on my phone now, but all ready for steps, and I can't do a lot of activity, but I'm gonna make Thursdays my walking day, that I'm gonna do extra walking. So hopefully that will follow through. So, alright, see you guys later.